guys, welcome to DIY Arunachal, and yes, I'm back again with another episode of DIY for you. Last Sunday I didn't upload video because my exam tha. Since it's over, I'm thinking कि 1 week में 2 video डाले, okay? And please watch till the end, you will love this DIY. Anyways, without any further ado, चलो शुरू करो DIY. Oh, by the way, please subscribe कर देना because you don't wanna miss my creativity. So first remove the pocket and the sleeves from your shirt and taking the length for your top and cut it down. Now remove the button and the buttonhole part. So I use these buttons called snaps or poppers. इसका हिंदी नाम मुझे पता नहीं है, but yeah, I used it on the top. As you can see, मैंने पूरी बटन डाला नहीं है, so जो आधा बचा हुआ फैब्रिक है उसे स्टिच कर देना है. So अभी आप अपने टॉप्स को लगा के उसमें डार्ट्स बना लेना है. I mean थोड़ा फिटिंग कर देना है. So now moving on to the next, आपको इलास्टिक लेना है जितना आपके आर्म्स के अराउंड आ जाए. And yeah, use zigzag stitch to stitch the elastic. It's done here and it's so cute. I love it. Now grab a bra and draw the outline of the cup. So now I am adding half an inch of seam allowance around the cup. So these are the fabrics for your boo-boos. Look carefully guys, this is how a loose stitch for fabric gathering is made. Ta-da! It's done here and now it's time for the elastics. Close stitch the front and hem stitch the raw ends. Time for the sleeves now. Okay, stitch only 1 inch or nearly close to 1 inch the sleeve away from your body. Attach the sleeve to the top and here is the end result. So guys, I hope you liked my video, and if you did, please like, comment and subscribe. मजाक है, देखो बस इनफ है मेरे लिए. And yeah, I was wearing wig that is in my actual hair. See you in the next episode of DIY and DIY Arunachal. So bye.